am back, maybe just for a little bit. For today's video, we will be unboxing October's Tribe Beauty box. Before we get into this, just a quick update. I just wanted to mention to you guys I wanted to take time off of YouTube, so I am back for a couple of videos. I'm trying not to push it so much, but I am still filming my BoxyCharm videos on Instagram because it's easier and faster for me to put out the content for you guys as opposed to me unboxing them for YouTube, because then there's the whole talking. I decided to bring the Tribe Beauty box because I know you guys love the Tribe Beauty box unboxing here on YouTube, so here it is. So let's just jump in. The theme for this month is actually 80s, hence the hair look, the makeup. This month we have 6 items. So the first item being the beautiful palette by Lorella Cosmetics. This is the Totally Tubular palette. It is so cute. I love the packaging on it. It's a sliding box, but it has the same packaging. I love how bubbly the letters are and glossy. It looks so nice. It kind of reminds me of like a locker. You have a huge mirror inside. I freaking love it. You get, again, the same style of art inside the palette, and you have the colorful eyeshadows in here. They're so beautiful. You have in total 20 eyeshadows, a mix of matte eyeshadows and pressed pigments. They're all really pretty, blended really nicely. So beautiful, very pigmented. I did use an eyeshadow primer, but they still swatch very beautiful on their own. I really love this palette from packaging to product inside. The eyeshadows are very, very beautiful. This item retails for $29. Next we have an item by the brand Nomad Cosmetics, and this is the Around the World Ngan. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. I'm so sorry. Moonlight. You had the option between this shade or Sydney Bather's highlighter. This is like a dual chrome color with like a hint of blue, which I really love it. It actually says here it's a multi-dimensional prismatic sapphire pearl finish highlighter featuring a duochrome glow shade inspired by the island of Ngan in Thailand that hosts the infamous full moon parties. It's a cute pastel-y box. So this is the highlighter, kind of like a lavender with hints of blue in it, and it looks so pretty. I love it. This little guy retails for $17. Next we have a skincare, which I am obsessed with. This is the Able Skincare London 3-in-1 Glycolic Acid Molecular Boost Eye Serum. It's just like a little stick and you just squeeze out the product. It's actually very lightweight but very hydrating. This is designed for your delicate eye area. The nutrients are blended specifically to reduce puffiness, dryness, dark circles, and wrinkles. I can't wait to keep using it. You guys know that I have my allergy under eye area problem right here, but this definitely helped. Can't wait to keep using this. This little guy retails for $160. Next we have this Purlisse Coconut and Rice Nourishing Sheet Mask. This is a moisturizing and soothing sheet mask, and unfortunately I did not use it because we also got another face mask, which is by the brand We Glow. This is the Rich Collagen face mask. So I decided to try this one instead of using both of them because I thought it'd be a waste if I use both, because it literally tells you you're supposed to have cleansed skin. So this one improves your elasticity and brightness in one simple step. I'm gonna save this guy for another time. This little guy retails for $6. Going into the face mask that I actually used, this one is actually blended with collagen and essential fruit extracts to give you a divine dewy glow on the go. It is perfect anytime right before applying your makeup, an evening out, or a simple night in. Definitely like the way it left my skin. This is what the sheet mask looks like. The only bad thing I didn't like about this is the smell. This collagen mask has collagen, licorice, apricot, cucumber, and grapefruit. I'm not sure what kind of combo you're doing there. I mean, it might be great for your skin, but I did not like the scent at all. If you know me, you know that I don't like licorice, nor do I like the smell of licorice. The smell of licorice mixed with everything else just The benefits of this face mask is oil control, brightening, moisturize, firm and tone, tightens pores, and it's nourishing. It did all of that, but I just didn't like the smell. This little guy retails for $6. And last but not least, we got a Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick by Zuba Beauty, which has been very popular in the Tribe Beauty boxes. I've gotten the red one and the darker purple one. This is like the wine color, which is called Fictional Reality. It is a clear packaging. I love it. I love the doe applicator on it. It's very precise and it is very, very pigmented. I'm wearing only this on my lips. I did overline my lips. I didn't fill in my lips with a lip liner. It's all this color. I definitely recommend these guys. This little guy retails for $18. And that was everything that we received in the October's Tribe Beauty box. Now, my favorite item is the Totally Tubular palette by Lorella Cosmetics and the Able Skincare Under Eye Serum. I really, really love these two so much. I know this is gonna help me in the long term, and well, I mean, can you say no to these colors? They're so pretty, very, very colorful. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite item. Now, the total value for the October Tribe Beauty box is $236. That's crazy. This bi-monthly subscription box retails for only $39.99. You get 5 or more full-size items. You also get a mix of small indie brands, and you help support female-owned brands. Now, if you also want to save a 10% off of the $39.99, you can use my code YESME at checkout. And that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked it. We will be jumping into the tutorial in a couple of seconds. I just want to say, if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you think the little like button doesn't help, it really, really does make a difference. So please hit that button if you like this video. Leave in the comments down your favorite items so we can start a conversation. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!